Subtle blending can transform ordinary repeats into rich, dimensional visuals that feel professionally crafted and visually immersive. How to explore pattern blending effects. Open Adobe Photoshop and create a new square canvas around 1500 by 1500 pixels so your pattern has enough room to repeat accurately. Begin by drawing a simple motif using the shape or brush tool, placing it centrally and duplicating it evenly across the canvas with Smart Guides enabled. Once the layout is balanced, group all motif layers and duplicate the group so you have two identical pattern layers. Select the top group and experiment with blend modes such as overlay, soft